Hello guys, this is Viria, and today I'm going to share my process of drawing Percabeth, Under the Rain Kisses. This is the idea that I got after listening to Lady Gaga's song, which is called Is It Alright, from the recent movie with her. And I love this so much, and every time that I hear that song and there's this line it felt like summer when I kissed you in the rain, I thought that hey, I should draw Under Rain Kisses. So here I'm doing that. I thought that there is nothing better than drawing Percabeth because it's very feelsy, and the setting kind of fits them so well. So here I'm doing just that. I drew and sketched everything in Procreate this time, and it was so hard to sketch this one because you can't really see the full screen, the size of the screen isn't quite enough for me, so it's kind of challenging to sketch this way because I lose the proportions a little bit. But this one I kind of like the way it turned out. Here I land art this hair of Annabeth and then of Percy. I loved drawing the hair because it's so wet and it's sticky and it sticks to the face, and Percy's usual hairstyle is kind of more down than usually. It got affected by the water and stuff, which is what I really like to draw. Someone on Instagram commented that Percy probably can't get wet, but I thought about this at first too, he would make some kind of magical umbrella just for them not getting wet, But then I thought that it kind of cancels the whole idea of kissing under the rain. So I decided that it would be good to have him kind of being way too distracted, He's kissing the girl, the love of his life, probably, so it just set some right mood, and he probably wouldn't really care about getting wet just because, he's kissing Annabeth. At first I sketched them Percy was just standing there hugging her, but then I decided to kind of add the jacket, Percy is holding his jacket, to kind of wrap Annabeth up into that a little bit because he's in a hoodie and she's just in a t-shirt, and it made sense for him to just want to warm her up a little bit, just so she's not as cold, because wet and cold, not always a great feelings. I looked up references for the setting for this one, and I found this one on Pinterest once again, of a bridge and in some kind of a jungle, and it was in Camp Half-Blood aesthetic, I think, or some sort of it. So I kind of redrew from that. It's not exactly like that, but very, very similar. I added some multiply layers and overlay layers on top of this one just to have the whole picture kind of darken up a little bit at first, because the rain and there is no sun and just everything is dark and well, very dark, so all the colors are kind of muted, very muted and dark, more so than usual, I guess, on this one. And also the gray background, not gray but kind of grayish green, helped to have the base for the plants. Now it's just coloring the branches and the bodies and the clothes. I used, I think it's one of calligraphy pens, so it's kind of harsh coloring. But for the plants and generally for the greens, it's kind of more subtle texturized brush. It's kind of how I do it usually, I guess. I added some dark greens and then some reflects of blue sky on top, and then more of dark underneath that layer, and more of light, and some extra, there are more trees somewhere up there deeper in the woods. I'm not really too great at drawing backgrounds, I try my best, and I have a feeling in my head, I understand the concept of the further, the paler, and that kind of stuff, but I can never really do that perfectly. Oh, then in the end, I decided to add those fireflies. I thought that fireflies can actually help to set a mood very beautifully as well. And I did my editing and more overlay layers as usual, just so Percy and Annabeth kind of stand out of this one and they don't get lost in the background. So as usual, the more light, the better. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know this is also very fast, but well, better than nothing. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you had nice Halloween, and bye.